Hello and welcome to How to Automotive. Today I'm going to do a little tool review on the brand new Milwaukee Tools 1/4 inch 50-piece SAE and metric shallow and deep sockets with a ratchet. So stay tuned for that. So when you get your socket set, it's going to come in a hard plastic case like this. But the cool feature it has is it has a removable tray that you can lift up, and then you can store the socket set into a toolbox for long-term storage. And if you want to carry it around, you can throw it back into the carrying case and you're mobile again. So these deep and shallow sockets have a very unique feature about them. They have squared off ends here, and this allows you to put a wrench on the end of it to use it to torque something down with a wrench if you want to get into those super tight spots. It also prevents the sockets from rolling away. And it comes with a nice ratchet here that has 92 teeth count. So it's an ultra fine ratchet with 4 degrees of arc between teeth, which means you can get into those very tight spots. Here I am putting the ratchet and sockets to use. So if you look here, I'm screwing these bolts in, and I'm using the squared off head on the sockets here to help screw those in, and it makes it a lot easier to work with your forefinger and your thumb to spin those bolts in. With a traditional round socket, if the threads are a little tight, that could be tough, but this will make it a lot easier. Also, having that squared off end on it, it also makes the sockets a lot stronger than your average socket. So I'm very confident using it with power tools such as I'm doing here. So the quality of the sockets are very good, the way they fit onto the tools, how they fit onto the fasteners. They're snug fitting. There's no slop or play, so it worked really well with the power tools. Here I'm using the new ratchet, and I'm working in a kind of a tight spot here, and that 4 degrees of arc allows me to break those fasteners free without spinning the ratchet too far. The set also came with a couple extensions and also a wobbly socket or universal socket to get in those tight spots. So I would consider these Milwaukee sockets and ratchets to be professional grade tools. They're also backed by a lifetime warranty, so if you should have any problems with them, you can get those fixed or handled. So if you're a professional technician or a DIY guy just doing weekend warrior stuff, these are great for both applications. So where the squared off end came in handy the most is when you had fluids on the sockets and you were able to spin the bolts on when your fingers didn't slip on the socket, so it was easy to start the fasteners or loosen the fasteners with oil and coolant and stuff like that on your hands. So I put these through their paces and put them right to work. I was removing shields with impact tools. I did a timing belt with them, and they held up with no problems to everything I threw at it. I have no doubt that these are going to be long-lasting, lifetime type tools. So this 50-piece socket and ratchet set is priced perfectly at $119 retail. I have pretty much the same set through Snap-on, which cost me around $400 for the same set. So at $120 with a lifetime warranty is a steal for a set of sockets like this. So in this clip right here, I'm actually using the brand new stubby impact gun that Milwaukee has just released or coming out with in the next couple of weeks. They sent it to me to try out. So make sure you're subscribed to the How to Automotive YouTube channel and click the bell notification, because I'll be featuring and doing tool reviews on all 3 of the new stubby impacts. 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive stubbies. For automotive use, these are going to be game changers. You do not want to miss that review. I also wanted to share with you that I have t-shirts, coffee mugs, and stickers available. I will leave links for the t-shirts and stickers in the description. Also, links for the tools, the socket set, will be in the description of the video too. I'm Brian Nessa from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching the videos. Encourage you to subscribe. Invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.